Hey guys, it's Ganesh here, and I'm here to tell you about my story of how I started planning for my studies abroad. Back in late 2020, I started visiting a lot many consultancies in Hyderabad, but very few were actually processing for countries such as Sweden and Finland. And also, I was told by one of my friends about the Storm Overseas app. I'm very lucky to have Storm Overseas process my application because Storm Overseas was the only one that was actually processing it for free of cost. I could directly select the preferred courses in Storm Overseas app along with the countries I was interested in, that were Sweden and Finland. I was immediately contacted by the counselor that's none other than Mr. Srinivas. I can tell you that he's more than a counselor to me. I used to sit at his desk and chat with him for hours. He always guided me, but he never insisted me on choosing any country or course. It was solely me that chose the course along with the country. I got an admit from Lapinranta University of Technology in Finland for business analytics course. I can tell you this that my application went very smoothly because of the Storm Overseas app. Directly after applying on the Storm Overseas app, I always got notifications and any other updates regarding my application, and I could easily contact my counselor straight away on the app. It can either be a video or audio or over text.